Why does your scanner show the P0022 engine code? What does it mean? P0022 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position, a timing over-retarded bank 2. This engine code indicates that the intake camshaft on bank 2 of the engine is not in the correct position compared to the crankshaft, and the timing is over-retarded. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: low oil level or pressure, faulty VVT solenoid, worn timing chain or belt, electrical issues, camshaft phaser or actuator issues, sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles. It can appear in various vehicles, but it's particularly common in Ford and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.